If it feels wrong to you to sit in a room full of strangers and talk about drinking and drug using, if it feels like you're being chained to your past, well, it's because you are.
Yeah, they make it that way.
And you don't have to be.
That's right. If you sit around and you talk about your failed past endlessly every day, then that becomes your present. That becomes your future. You don't have to keep doing this. In the freedom model, you can move beyond that, completely move past all of that.
Yeah. So no matter how badly you're struggling, no matter how out of control you may feel with your habit, with your drug use or your drinking, you don't have to go to rehab. You don't have to do strange steps. You don't have to go to daily meetings with strangers.
You don't have to be immersed in endless recovery. You don't have to go to endless therapy sessions. You don't even have to be on endless medications. What you can do is understand why you do the things you do. Fully understand that, challenge it, challenge your beliefs, challenge what you think about, and then move past it and change it. And you can do that. That's what this is all about. You really can move past these problems for good and move on with your life.
Yes. Even if it feels like you've had some success with rehab in the past or with meetings in the past, but now you're floundering again, you don't have to go back to that. If it really was going to work, it would have.
Treatment doesn't change people. They keep going back to the same habits. They struggle horribly. We know that the success rates for those models are less than 5% now. It's been an abysmal failure for 80 years. There's much better ways to deal with these issues, completely new ways. And ironically, the new way is that you're your solution.
Yeah.
Your mind, the way you think, challenging your beliefs, understanding the truth about your relationship with drugs and alcohol.
You don't have to swear off substances forever.
I was just going to say that. This isn't about abstaining and forcing and disciplining yourself and mindlessly replacing and hoping that if you replace it with the right combination of recovery and hobbies, that you can escape the wrath of addiction. That's not what this is about.
People solve their addictions every single day with boring regularity because they change their mind about the substance, because they challenge in their mind how much they still really like it. And even if you feel like, oh, I don't like it anymore, trust me when I say if you really didn't like it, you wouldn't keep doing it.
That's right. So there are things that confuse people. And this idea, I hate it, yet I keep doing it. That's a massive confusion. Well, we can help clarify that with you. That's what we do in our coaching models. And that's what we do in our workshops. That's what we do in this book. So we have the answer for you. And we've been doing this for 37 years. This isn't our first rodeo, and we can certainly help you too.
Yes. So we have live workshops coming up. They are 2 to 3 hours, depending on the amount of questions that we have to answer. And we have them every Tuesday. Go to thefreedommodel.org, go to the Solution to Addiction tab, and you'll see live workshops. You can click on it. Very affordable, a great value. You'll talk directly with Mark and I, and we have set it up so it's totally confidential. Nobody's going to know who you are there. You don't even have to talk to us if you don't want to. You can ask questions through typing in the chat, which only we will see, and we can help you to solve your problem once and for all.
And if you're a professional and you hold a professional license, there's no record of being treated. It's completely confidential. So that's important for people that have professional lives.
It sure is. So go to thefreedommodel.org, or if you're interested in getting private coaching with us, completely private, you can get that at thefreedommodel.org as well, or call us at 1-888-424-2626. We work with people all over the world.
That's right. All right, everybody, take care.